disassembly line. Asvine V800 with your old friend Hamish McNag. Now, this is a great pen to disassemble because there are so many little bits that can get lost. And that's why Asvine, when you purchase one, gives you all them little bits to replace. We're going to need the wrench that comes out of there. That's all we need. We're not going to lose anything because we are professionals, you and I. Now, let's do it professionally. We need the little wrench. We take the pen. We unscrew the cap. We've got this in the cap. What can we do with the cap? We can unscrew the finial. Now this is just a hollow tube. You can run water through it to clean out little bits of ink. There is a clip and there is a little finial. You see there's ink in mine because I've been a naughty boy and squirted ink everywhere. Now just flush that out and you're ready to go. Then take your clip, put it back on there. There's a little ring there too, which is meant to keep everything in place. Align that metal bit to the actual clip. Put that on there. Take the finial, put it on, screw it back in place. Make sure that little metal ring is aligned properly. It is. Tighten it, put it away, done. Now, the actual pen. There's a lot going on there. There's a little different bits you can unscrew. So, you can take the section in your hand, take the barrel in your hand, unscrew. This way, you can go in from the front if you need to clean anything down there. Put a little Q-tip, take it, put some water on it and just ram it in there. Clean it out, no problem whatsoever. If you want to take this any further, you can. Put the nib in the crook of your finger. Put your thumb on the section. Gently unscrew the section. Whole thing comes off. Note the O-ring there. Note the O-ring there. Don't lose them. Flush that out. Note the O-ring there. It's a lot of O-rings. If you wanted to, you can disassemble this further. You can pull nib and feed from the collar if you want to, but there's really no need to do that. If you really wanted to, you could. They're very tightly in there, so put some water in there first. We don't need to do that because nothing is dirty, everything is cleaned properly. You're going to put that back together. Put the nib in the crook of your finger, put your thumb on it. Gently screw that section back in place so that your nib and feed do not misalign. Don't over tighten anything, it's not necessary. Everything looks beautiful there, that's all you need. Now, the fun bits. Unscrew the end cap. You can pull this whole rod out like that. Now, how are you going to unscrew this? It's very simple. You take your wrench and you use the right end. This is the right end, isn't it? This is too small, doesn't fit. This bit fits. So you can either use this and unscrew there, or you can use this end and unscrew it from there. It really doesn't matter. Just keep screwing, just keep going. Pull the whole thing out. Now you can clean that well. You notice there's a bit of ink down there. If you can clean all that out, put a little bit of silicone grease on that seal right there. There's a little O-ring right there. You get 2 replacements of each in case you lose them. You don't have to do anything else with this. Just a bit of silicone grease right there and slip it back in from behind. Tighten that. Take your wrench. Make sure it's nice and tight, but don't over tighten it. Nothing needs to crack. It's sealed there. It's okay. Pop that back on. Screw that back in place. Take the section. Screw that back in place. Cap that. Now, if you're one of those people who says, I hate it when my clip and my nib don't align on a clear pen, don't worry, we can fix it. Just gently unscrew that finial. Move the clip right there. Notice again, that little metal ring and the clip have to align. Put your thumb on that. Gently screw there. Now everything aligns perfectly and it looks beautiful, doesn't it? So that is something you can do. Here is the complete disassembly and reassembly of the Asvine V800. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it? And then when you've done all that, you can sit back and enjoy yourself some haggis.